anything, just go behind the concept. We are considering starboard engine is fail. So if starboard engine is fail, then which engine will dominate? Of course, port side engine will dominate. Imagine they both are situated at equal distance, and imagine this is the CG point. So we are considering a case starboard engine is fail. So result, what will be happening? Result, aircraft will start yaw in this direction, yaw in right side, or you can say starboard side. So aircraft will start yaw in right side like this. So this yaw is an awkward situation. This is not the intentional yaw. This is produced by the engine fail situation. So because of that, you will be having rudder. So pilot will deflect the rudder so that pilot can produce another yaw to counterbalance this yaw. So now let's understand how to work out this situation mathematically and in which direction you should deflect your rudder.